Alright, today I want to tell you what a Mandrel Saver is. Well, it's this little device here, which is like a live center, but it's got a nice little hole in the end. It's exactly the right diameter as this shaft. So normally when you're turning pens, you mount the pens up. So we're going to do this. We're going to mount up. These are two Wall Street 2 pens that I'm in the process of turning. Mount them up and get the wood all in there. And then you put that nut on. Well, instead of putting the nut on, the Mandrel Saver is designed to go on here and hold the shaft. But it has to go on the shaft and not the threads. So in this particular situation, I need to take off my one spacer, or I need to make my pen turning mandrel longer, which is something you can do. You can loosen this apparatus here and slide the internal shaft out. But for this demonstration it'll work because that's going on the shaft, and it will hold it, and then this simply goes in the tailstock with a Morse 2 taper, and then you snug it up that way such that when you turn the lathe on, you've got enough drive to hold your pens in place and turn them. So that's a really cool device. It's called a Mandrel Saver, and it counteracts the fact that if you put pressure with this brass washer, it can bend your shaft and make your pens a little bit out of balance. This instead is putting pressure directly on all the bushings and keeping everything straight. It's still allowing you to turn. So if you're interested in a Mandrel Saver, I'll put a link to this one that I bought. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your wood turning buddies.